Picture this. You walk into your usual market to buy tomatoes. Last month, 500 naira filled a small nylon. Today, that same 500 naira can barely buy 3 sad-looking tomatoes staring at you like, "Na me you go buy." Or maybe it's not tomatoes. Maybe it's bread. Last week, a loaf was 250 naira. Today, it's 350 naira. Transport fares? Doubling, tripling. Fuel prices? The pump smiles at you like it owns you. And your salary? Still sitting in one place, behaving itself. If you felt this pain, congratulations. You've just met the invisible thief called inflation. So, what is inflation really? Let's break it down. Inflation simply means your money is losing power, not the amount, the power. 1,000 naira is still 1,000 naira, but what it can buy today is less than what it bought yesterday. Think about it like this. If last year you could buy 10 bags of rice with 10,000 naira, this year maybe you can only buy 7. That difference? That's inflation stealing silently. Imagine having 5,000 naira tucked under your bed for a year. Next year, you try to buy your favorite snacks. You suddenly realize you can only get half of what you used to get. Frustrating, right? That's the invisible effect. Prices rise for 3 main reasons: cost push, demand pull, and too much money chasing few goods. Let's unpack each one. Cost push inflation, when it becomes more expensive for producers to make or move goods. For example, fuel prices increase, transportation costs rise, import duties go up, electricity bills spike, businesses naturally pass the extra cost to you. Suddenly, your usual items are more expensive. Remember last fuel hike? Transport fares went up immediately. Even the small roadside buka jollof fry started charging more. That's cost push at work. Demand pull inflation. Sometimes, too many people want the same thing at the same time. Think Christmas season, the beginning of the school term, or when a viral trend makes everyone rush to buy the same product. Sellers notice the high demand and boom, prices rise. Last month, everyone wanted imported cookies because of a TikTok challenge. Prices jumped overnight. That's pure demand pull. Too much money chasing few goods. When governments print money or pump extra cash into the economy, the supply of money grows faster than goods. More money plus the same amount of goods equals higher prices. It's like having 10 people chase 5 slices of cake. The price of each slice goes up naturally. Inflation doesn't scream, it whispers. You notice it slowly. First is the price of bread, then transport, then vegetables, then data. Before you know it, your salary starts behaving like it has enemies. Have you ever felt your money disappear faster than you expected? That's not imagination. That's inflation quietly eating your purchasing power. In simple English, your savings lose value. Your salary buys less. Businesses struggle. Families reduce quality of food. People delay big goals like buying a house or car. Inflation is not just an economic term. It's a lifestyle problem. Think about your favorite market. Before, 1,000 naira could feed a family for 2 days. Now, maybe only 1. That's the ripple effect hitting everyone. You can't stop inflation, but you can protect yourself. Here's how. Start saving in assets that grow. Small amounts in stocks, money markets, treasury bills can outpace inflation. Avoid keeping all your money in cash. Cash loses value silently every month. Increase your income skills. A stagnant income in an inflationary world is dangerous. Learn new skills. Start side hustles. Track your expenses. Inflation hides in small daily purchases like snacks, transport, and airtime. If you notice your monthly food spending rising, plan, compare prices, and adjust. Every small decision matters. You can't control the economy, but you can control your financial preparation. Inflation hurts, but when you understand it, you stop being a victim and start becoming intentional. Stay curious, stay smart, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart by Cashie.